How to see who liked your posts on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you how to see who liked your posts on Instagram. So to get started, go ahead and open Instagram on your mobile device and then sign in to your account. Now, once you're signed in, go ahead and head over into your profile. So click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you're on your profile, go ahead and head over into your post. So go ahead and scroll down to your post, and then in here, once you find a photo where it has a specific like, go ahead and click on that like by, and you'll be able to view the list of individuals who like your post. So into this section, you'll be able to find their username. Both public and private Instagram accounts can view the list of individuals who like their posts on Instagram. And that is how you can basically see who liked your posts on Instagram.